Well, this is a massive explosion that has come in light in the national capital at Red Fort Gate number 1. And right now I'm here at the same spot, and if I take you through the visual here, what's actually going on, then you can see that the entire area has been cordoned off, and security is tightened here as well. Also, NIA, NSG, Delhi Police along with forensic team is continuously monitoring the area. You can clearly see in the visual that lots of police officials have been deployed here, and that clearly depicts the impact of this explosion which took place. And that not only started, you can see that this is the particular area, and from gate number 1 till gate number 4 the entire area has been barricaded, and from this side you can see that heavy police forces have been deployed. And also this area is just a few miles away from the parliament, also one of the busiest area as tourists from foreign and domestic both arrive here, and also one of the busiest market is there, that is of Chandni Chowk. So you can clearly understand the importance of this area. And also what we learned here was that a slow moving vehicle in which this explosion took place, and also if I talk about the injuries, then over 30 plus people have been injured, and more than 10 plus individuals have been dead in this case. And also they have been taken to LNJP hospital, and you can clearly see that from this area we have heavy police forces who have been deployed, and they are continuously monitoring and trying to examine the exact reason behind this explosion. Over to you.